Hi there, friend. Welcome. It's Spenta. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sharing a video of my white irises with you. I'm in one of my front gardens, and this particular garden has white irises all in the back. Beautiful. They are fixing to bloom. They grow via rhizome, and they can be cut by taking rhizome cuttings of these amazing flowers. And I also wanted to share with you one of my borders that I use in my garden. My chocolate mint is growing, so my border is back. See, it's just right along the border. Right here, if you check it, it has decided to go invasive and go into my iris just a tiny bit. It is really easy to be pulled out, so I'm not concerned at all. I can just go right here and pull the whole section out, as you can see right here. See, I pulled a whole section out right here. And I can cut it right here, or I can run it right along the edge, which is what I will do. You can just let it go where you want it to go, or you can take a cutting and you can place it somewhere else in your yard here or in your garden. This right here is one of my perennial mums. It's coming back and it's looking good. And right here, my white irises. Today is Easter here in the US. So happy Easter to you. I wish you a beautiful day, my friends. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoyed being in my garden with me today. Have a wonderful day, and I wish you blessings of Easter.